Hey, what's going on? Scott Taylor with San Diego Real Estate Hunter.com. In this video, let's break down the different purchase mortgage loans options that we have in San Diego right now. I'm going to be going over the 103% financing if you're a first-time home buyer or you need down payment assistance. I'm going to be going over the zero down USDA loan, where if you want to live on the outskirts or countryside, you can be buying with zero down. I'm going to be going into the zero down VA loan, where if you used to be in the military or active duty right now, you can buy with zero money down. I'm going to be going over the 3% down conventional loan, which is fantastic if you have great credit. I'm going to be going over the 3.5% down FHA loan if you don't necessarily have great credit, but you want to take advantage of some of the lowest interest rates in U.S. history. I'm going to be going over the jumbo mortgage loan. Things in San Diego are expensive. So if you're looking for above a $701,500 loan amount, the jumbo loan is for you. And I'm going to be going over things that are outside the box. So if you don't fit inside that box, maybe you're self-employed, maybe we need to go bank statements, maybe we need to do what's called asset depletion. I'm going to be going over that as well. But first, a little story. So I've been working with clients. Don't forget, I'm licensed to do real estate. I'm licensed to do loans. I do both. When I represent you as a buyer, it's a one-stop shop. But I've been working with clients that have been checking around at the different credit unions in San Diego. And then they came to me, they saw one of my videos, maybe just like this, and they came to me and they said, hey, Scott, I had no idea that so many different loan programs were available in San Diego. They never covered anything like down payment assistance loans. They didn't say anything about bank statement loans. They didn't say anything about, how to structure things to get seller pay closing costs or to use a lender rebate to pay closing costs, or even that there was a down payment assistance loan or a closing cost loan that could help cover that stuff. And of course, I kind of laughed. I hear this all the time. And I said, of course, it's very, very simple. If you walk into a credit union or you walk into a bank, they present the products that they have. You walk in as a retail client, you get retail rates, you pay retail fees, and you work with professionals that really don't understand the mortgage business outside of their own box that they work in. They're pushing around paperwork all day long. They're working for a paycheck, and they do that within the bank and the credit union's hours, right? They have this box of their own few products that they have, and they work with inside that box. And I think we're at that point now where we can't even really go into a credit union or bank anyways. We have the mask on, everything is uptight, everyone supposedly looks like a criminal now, and you have to call and email anyways. Here's the difference. When you work with someone like me, where I bought my first investment property at the age of 21, right after September 11th. I own 35 properties by the age of 30. I bought and sold real estate in San Diego, in Riverside County, but also overseas. I lived overseas for a long period of time. Different locations in Argentina, different spots in Brazil, different spots in Nicaragua, different spots in Panama. You're dealing with somebody that understands how to help buyers, how to do buyer loans, refinances, structure deals, and know it from the inside out. I'm personally approved with something around 40 different wholesale lenders. 40. So when you come to me, we have all the products of up to 40 different wholesale lenders. You walk into a bank or credit union, you have one, just them, just that person pushing the paperwork who their bosses say, okay, here's our 4 or 5 loan products, go out and get them, Tiger, right? And when you deal with someone like me, what do? You get wholesale loans, you get wholesale rates, you get wholesale fees, and you work with somebody that knows the ins and outs of everything, right? If they have this box, I see everything outside it. Not only do I see the box, I see everything outside of it. So it's very, very important when you are doing purchase mortgage loans in San Diego, you want to work with somebody that knows what they're doing, that has been in your shoes and is still in your shoes, and has access to a lot of different programs than just one bank or one credit union. As always, if you're finding value from this video, I really appreciate if you'd smash that like button, subscribe to get more hard-hitting videos just like this, and tap that notification bell so you never miss one of these videos. Without further ado, let's go into the different purchase mortgage loans in San Diego. All right, so the first one that I want to go over is the San Diego Down Payment Assistance Program, okay? This loan is ideal for anybody that has decent credit, not great, not even good, decent credit, makes a great income, so it's not for low-income people, but doesn't have the 3% down for a conventional loan or FHA. The great thing is I personally only deal with state programs. You can live anywhere in the state, and since we're talking about San Diego, you can be living anywhere in San Diego. We're not talking about you have to live in a specific zip code and this and that and this and that nonsense that local programs have. So with the state program, you can get up to 103% financing, covers your down payment, covers your loan, covers up to 3% of your closing costs. We can buy currently up to a $701,500 loan amount, which is about a $725,000 purchase price or so. Obviously, since we're getting down payment covered, some to all of closing costs covered, it limits your cash out of pocket. And then, of course, right now, what do we know? The mortgage rates are some of the lowest, if not the lowest, in U.S. history. Look below the video for show notes and links. But if this program is for you, look below the video, click on a link regarding down payment assistance, and you'll be taken to some more completely free information, and you don't have to sign up for anything. Let's move on to the second San Diego product that I'm talking about. It's the zero down USDA loan. So this loan is perfect for anybody that wants to live in the countryside or the outskirts of San Diego. I have a link, but you need to, it's address specific, or you could Google USDA map locator, and it's for specific areas. You know, areas like Fallbrook and Bonzo, Palma Valley, Valley Center, Ramona, Julian, Campo, Santa Isabel, Palomar Mountain, etc., etc. But it also covers areas like Deep Oceanside, Deep Vista, Deep Escondido, Deep Spring Valley, Santee, etc. It's perfect for those that want to put zero down because the loan is a zero down loan. It has a very low upfront loan guarantee, and by the way, much lower than a VA or FHA. It has very low mortgage insurance every single month, once again, lower than a conventional or FHA, and it does not, I repeat, does not have a max sales price or loan amount. If you can get approved for it, loan amount, there's no maximum on this. And of course, as we know, some of the lowest rates in history. We're talking about from the low to mid to high twos right now for a USDA loan. If something like that is for you, take a look below the video for the San Diego USDA mortgage loan. Now let's move on to the San Diego VA mortgage loan, okay? So this is an awesome loan for anybody that has served in the military or is active duty right now. There are no limitations of where you can live in San Diego, right? Unlike the USDA loan, unfortunately. Just keep in mind, if you're buying a townhome or condo with a VA loan, there's a link below, it needs to be on the VA approved list, or you could simply Google VA approved condos and that will come right up. The great thing about the VA loan as well is it's zero down. It has a very low VA funding fee up front, by the way, that can be tied into your loan. The great thing about the VA loan, it has no monthly mortgage insurance like the USDA or conventional or FHA loans do. And it also does not have a max sales price limit, much like the USDA loan. So if you think that a VA loan works for you, check out the VA loan below. And by the way, if you can get a VA loan, if you're used to be in the military or active duty, the VA loan, bar none, is the best loan. So if you can get it, VA loan, do it. Look below the video. Why don't we move on to the San Diego 3% down conventional loan. So this loan is intended, once again, for to live anywhere in San Diego. You have at least 3% to be putting down. You have good to great credit, and you want the ability to buy a home, townhome, or condo with no limitations. Like I said, the VA loan has to be a VA approved townhome or condo. With an FHA loan, FHA approved townhome or condo. Conventional, it does not matter. So this is perfect, as you can put as low as 3% down, up to a $510,000 loan amount, okay? And past that 510 up to 701, it's 5% down. It has no upfront mortgage insurance premium. We know the VA loan does, the USDA loan does, the FHA loan does. Conventional does not. It has a lower mortgage insurance than the FHA loan does, and potentially because of that and with lower rates, lower monthly mortgage payments as well. So if you think a conventional loan is for you, take a look below this video. Let's move on down to the 3.5% down FHA loan in San Diego. So once again, you can live anywhere in San Diego. You do not need to be a first-time home buyer. You do need to put down 3.5% of your purchase price. You at least need to have decent credit, right? Decent to okay credit. You can have some knocks on your credit. And the great thing about this one as well, it allows a higher debt to income ratio than the conventional loan does. So you're putting down 3.5%. You have up to a $701,500 loan amount. Allows higher debt to income ratios and historically low rates. If that's something for you, look below the video. Let's take a look at the 10% down jumbo mortgage loan. So if you're looking to buy in San Diego above that $701,000 loan amount, you still want to put down as little as possible. You have great credit. The 10% down jumbo loan is for you. So we have 10% down, loan amounts above $701,500, and I have wholesale lenders that, unlike, the big horrible banks like Chase, Wells, B of A, Citigroup, we don't have as many months of assets needed for my jumbo loans. If you need a jumbo loan and you've checked, you know exactly what I'm talking about as far as reserves that you need. With me, it's much, much less. Look below the video and you can get some more information regarding the jumbo loan. Let's move on to the last one here before I sign off. It's the 10% down outside the box loan. So if you don't fit into one of these categories, it's the 10% down outside the box loan. As low as 10% down. You have pretty good credit. You might want to do personal or business bank statements. You want to do an interest-only loan, and again, outside the box. If that's something for you, look below the video. I am going to sign off. I really appreciate you watching this far. If you've liked it, I'd appreciate if you'd smash that like button, subscribe to get more, tap that notification bell so you never miss an episode. And of course, I want to help you. Licensed to do real estate, licensed to do loans. I would love to help you on your next purchase in San Diego. Shoot me a call, email, or text, and I look forward to chatting with you sometime soon.